Okay, so today's project, take out this old rotten door and put in this new door to make it lockable. I'm going to do the same on this as I did with the other. I'm not going to put a doorknob in. My problem here is this is rotted, so I'm going to have to cut out a piece of this and put maybe a 4x4, a 1 foot 4x4 in here so I can put the hasp on here. So let's get cracking. Okay, so all we're doing is chiseling out these holes, the keyway here, whatever you want to call it. I've got to put a new one in here for the third hinge, but it looks like it's pretty straightforward. Okay, well, that building was crooked, the floor, so I've got out the old power planer. We'll take a little bit off of this and she'll fit right in. There we go. Planed her down a little bit. She should fit in there. And there we go. Just like that, a new door is in. For right now, we got this rope. We'll wrap it around this for the moment until I can get a handle. I'll find one of those somewhere. And then I've got to reinforce here for a hasp. So again, it's an old building. Should keep people out.